This course is about getting your job search started. While looking for work can be an exciting time, it can also involve fear and discomfort about change and the unknown. Whether you are already in the midst of a job search or just thinking about it, this workshop will help you to determine what your skill set is made up of, the kind of work that is important and realistic to include in your search, and how to get started. Today's job market is not the same as it was even 5 years ago. Knowing where to go, who to talk to, and the opportunities that are available will help to shift you from someone who dreams about having a job, to someone who has the job they always wanted. What will you learn at end of this course? 1. Describe their skills, values, and beliefs about work and looking for opportunities. 2. Demonstrate an understanding for the types of work available and where to go for more information. 3. Recognize the differences and benefits available through career coaches, counselors, and mentors. 4. Apply different approaches to job searching, such as networking and tapping into the hidden job market.